Hi everyone, it's Diana Ofoya with United Real Estate. Quick message, viewings for 4705 Cedar Cliff Road in Stony Glen in Chester, Virginia will begin this Sunday, the 19th, and go through Tuesday, the 21st. Please make an appointment. Call me or message me, call your realtors, make an appointment. But just in case, we are holding it open on Sunday afternoon from 1 to 4. If you'd like to stop by, please be prepared. Social distancing is required, but don't miss out. You are going to love this house. Need to know more? Stay tuned. There's a video tour. Okay, so here we are in the foyer. Beautiful hardwoods, nice neutral colors, woodwork. Here's the stairwell going up. To the right is the dining room, again with chair and crown molding, beautiful hardwoods. On the other side of the hall is the formal living that has these nice French doors on it, so you could easily make this into a home office or a playroom or a craft room. Many options. As we head down the center hallway, we have a coat closet to the left and a half bath here to the right. Straight ahead, we enter the family room kitchen and beautiful French doors out to the deck, double windows. Again, crown and chair rail molding in here, brick fireplace, neutral colors, and this nice big cased opening that leads into the kitchen. This kitchen was upgraded a few years ago. To the right there we have a pantry, and straight ahead the door to the garage. This is ceramic tile on the floor, granite countertops, tile backsplash. This big beautiful bay window looking out over the backyard. And again, custom cabinetry, custom island. Give you a quick peek at the garage here. It's a one car. Very organized. And then we head back into the dining room. Here you can see we just came out of the kitchen. And now we're headed into the foyer. And we'll head upstairs to see the bedrooms. Okay, so welcome to the second floor. Smallest of the bedrooms here, currently used as storage as they're getting ready to move. Okay, another nice sized bedroom. Lots of light in this house, lots of windows. At the end of the hall here is the bonus room, currently being used as Dad's cave / office. There is a closet, so it could be a 5th bedroom. So we head back down the hall. You can see the stairwell kind of comes up in the middle. And to the left is one more bedroom. Across the hall, the laundry, and then the hall bath. Beautiful skylight in here. Upgraded vanity, granite tile, as well as in the shower. this end of the hall, the master suite. Very calm and serene in here. Walk-in closet. And full bath. Again, upgraded with granite. Ceramic tile on the floor, as well as in the bathtub. And this bathroom actually has its own linen closet as well. So that completes our tour of the house.